Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we enable talkback in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to enable your talkback setting in your Realme phone, and guys after enable guys how can you use in your Realme phone device. In this video guys I will show you guys. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to enable our talkback. Then guys scroll it friends, you can see this type of setting in your Realme phone. Friends click on your phone system setting guys, tap here guys, click on accessibility setting, and guys click on your vision option, click on your talkback. So once you want to enable, you can enable from this right side. You can see the allow option, tap here to enable your talkback. So a talkback will on. And guys how can you use? So guys you want to back, so guys one tap and double tap. You want to close app, one tap and double tap. And how can you use your screen? Guys you cannot use guys your screen with your one finger guys, you will have to use your two fingers, then guys you can use. So a talkback, a person who is like little brain, they cannot see properly guys, they use talkback. How? Because they want to call someone, so when they call on any icon, so they can listen. So they listen like phone sound file. Let me increase volume friends. So friends you can see phone, gallery, messages. So they use talkback like that. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.